All right, today I have Montana with me. We're gonna show you guys a routine that is inspired by Michael Jackson's Beat It. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna punch up with our hands. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So notice our body kind of tilts, right? So we don't want to just go like this. It looks pretty boring if I just stand still. So there's a little bit of lean, kind of like if we're taking yoga, you know, the bow stretch. There's that little stretch to your hip does move, okay? So let's try that. Focus on the hip moving. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Already that should look a little bit better, okay? So now on the 3, 4, we're gonna add the legs. So it looks like here's 1, 2, 3. So you see how we're gonna just tap our toe. We're not gonna step down, right? Stepping down means putting the weight and the heel will touch. Right now the heel doesn't touch. It's just toe tap, 3 and 4. That's it. And on the and 4, notice the feet, okay? I'm gonna go 3 and 4. Now both my feet are pointing to our right, which may be your left if you're looking the opposite. So basically we're going to the direction we're looking at. Okay, one more time. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to punch down on the 5. 5. As I do that, look at my hip here. I'm going to go 5 right here. So then you're going to put the weight down. The hip is going to go back. And you're going to be like, so now both knees are straight. Okay. Right here on the 4, you have one knee bent. Okay. Now on the 5, boom, both knees are straight. And we got a nice bend of the hip. Okay. So that's our 5. From here, we want to stay low. Imagine the ceiling down here. So I don't want to come up anymore. I want to stay here. I want to bring the hip together and 6. Okay. So this is our 5. 5. You can go and 6. And the arm is just punching here, and you're going to punch back behind you, in front of you, behind you, in front of you, behind you. And when you go behind, you're going to bring the legs together. And they extend the other one. So there's a slight lean, okay? That angle right there. So let's go back to the 1, and we're gonna go all the way to the 8. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Again, 7, 8, we just repeat, okay? That looks good, right? Let's try one more time, up to the 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. No worries. So from here, now we're gonna do a little cross step, okay? A little cross step. Let's try from the front. We're gonna face front here. Where instead of just crossing our leg like this on the 1, you're gonna go and 1. Okay, one more time. 6, 7, 8, and 1. Good, good, good. As I do that, here's my side view. Go ahead, you stay looking front. I'm gonna go and 1. Look at my feet right here. I'm not gonna go and 1. You see, if I do this, both heels on the ground at the same time, that balance is a little bit off. I'm going and 1. This is on the toe. This is flat. Okay. So remember, I'm not gonna go and 1 like barely going. My weight is not on this leg. My weight is on the front leg. And 1. And what I'm gonna do, there you go. So go ahead, put the weight down here. Your weight is in the front here. So this is, there you go. So the heel, I don't know if you guys can see right here. Let's turn this way here. The heel is off the ground, okay? If your heel is on the ground here, that means the weight is back here. It's way harder. I want you to here, and this is up. So now your weight is gonna be right here, okay? This toe is off the ground. Go ahead, stay here. So what happens is the heel, the pressure is back here and here. So now when you spin, you're going to be spinning on the heel and toe right here. So you're here, now you're spinning this way. So your heel toe, okay? So that's our heel spin. Let's try again. So you're going to go and 1, spin on the 2. By 2, we're facing the back, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2. Good. Let's add the arm. This one's a little bit more difficult. The arm is going to go and 1. On the end, you're touching your shoulders or your chest here. Elbows are up, and then push out on the 1. So it's and 1. 6, 7, 8, and 1, and then punch down to 2. One more time. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. Okay, add in the legs. 7, 8, and 1, 2. So all of that happened at the same time. Let's do that one more time. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. Now we're going to go down. You go ahead and face that way. I'm going to face the front so you guys see what we're talking about. So we're here. You're going to go down on 3, and then up on the 4. So you're just going to go down, touch your knee. It doesn't matter how low you go. Right now, you're just going to go level change. 3, 4, and 5. So on the and 5 is the same as the and 1. Okay. So we turn around. Let's go from the top. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. It's the exact same thing. And 5, 6, and then 7, 8. You're gonna punch up on 7, then down on 8, and that's it. Okay. Let's go from the and 1 all the way. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So the key really is on that 3, 4. Right after 4, you have to go and 5. Right? That's the quick part. Okay. So now we got to make sure we know how to do it from this position. Because doing from this position is a little bit easier than 7 and 8. From here, you're kind of in a weird balanced position, but still you can get to and 1. So you got to practice 7 and 8 and 1. That's really the key. Okay? Ready to go from the top? Let's try it from the top. Here we go. Punch, punch. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. There we go. We got it. Thank you.